If you've ever gotten a blowout at the hair salon, you know how unstoppable you feel with all that extra volume and shine. There are many products available to choose hair dryers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best hair dryers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hot Tools Pro Artist Black Gold 2000 Watt Ionic Hair Dryer. The styling tool has 2000 watts of drying ability, and a plethora of features such as multiple speed and heat settings, a turbo boost button, and a cool shot and ionizer switch to amp up the volume or smoothness of your hair. A blowout took just about 20 minutes with this Hot Tools dryer, which is great for the busy lives we lead. Best of all, this hair dryer is made for use on all hair types, but with the addition of the diffuser attachment, it's even easier to smooth frizz and style your curls. This hair dryer had all of the perks and none of the crazy expensive prices. Being one of our most budget-friendly dryers of the day, we had to give this tool a solid 5-star approval. Number 2. Olivia Garden Super P High Performance Professional Hair Dryer. This dryer, equipped with 3 airflow speeds and 3 heat settings, could dry our hair and smooth our strands into shiny, volume-boosted styles in record time. We were impressed with its strong airflow for its small size, and we appreciated that it dried our hair effectively without burning our scalps. Plus, the buttons were placed in easy-to-reach areas, which made our lives a whole lot easier. And you can even lock your settings with the simple switch of a button, so if you did accidentally lose your grip, you won't have to worry about unwantedly switching temperatures or speed settings. The diffuser didn't deliver the dried coils we were going for on Type 3 and 4 hair, which is tricky for someone who wants the duality of styling their hair straight on some days and sporting their natural curls on others. Number 3. INFINITIPRO by Conair Digital Air Hair Dryer. We all know how much of an arm workout drying your hair can be, so we love the feather-like Infinity Pro by Conair Digital Air Dryer. We were blown away by the surprisingly strong airflow that this petite tool was able to generate, whisking some papers off of the desk behind us when we powered it on at its highest speed. Its lowest speed was good enough to get our hair, from Type 1B to Type 4B curls, dry within 20 minutes. Another standout feature was its cord, which was long enough that we could move around the bathroom without having to unplug. It also felt sturdy enough to last a few years without fraying or creasing. If you're searching for a light hairdryer for your gym bag and want something a little smaller and easier to store, the Digital Air is perfect for you. Number 4. Rusk Engineering Weightless Professional 2000 Watt Dryer. An ionic hairdryer is a type of hairdryer that has a negative ionic charge. When these negative ions react with the positive ions in your hair, it helps to close the damaged cuticles of the hair. The Rusk Engineering Weightless Dryer features a powerful 2000 watt ionic generator that quickly gave us sleek and shiny strands. Thanks to its advanced ceramic and tourmaline technology, it eliminated frizz from root to end. Not only did we see silkier strands, but we felt how easy it was to twist and turn this tool around our heads due to its barely there weight and 9-foot cord, which let us wander around our bathrooms as we dried. Since this type of hair is often drier than others, it can be more sensitive to heat, so we wouldn't recommend using this high setting on porous or dry hair. Number 5. T3FR Lightweight Travel Size Hair Dryer. We love this dryer's foldable handle, which makes it easier to pack into a suitcase or carry on before jumping in the car. Though it's a bit smaller than your average hairdryer, it still functions in the same way as a normal model, complete with 3 heat levels, 2 speed settings, and a style-securing cool shot. It was incredibly lightweight. Our arms and wrists never felt tired while we worked away at our hair. While we thoroughly enjoyed using this dryer and the concentrator nozzle it came with, we were curious as to how it would perform with the diffuser on curlier textures if we wanted to dry our hair curly and not straight. We can't imagine going back to hotel hairdryers after our maiden voyage with this one. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.